Traders, welcome back to ZEN Coin. And if you missed our previous analysis, make sure to check the link in the description because what we predicted last time has played out almost perfectly, and it's a great example of why patience and structure win in trading. Right now, ZEN Coin is showing textbook smart money behavior, and the levels we've been watching are still providing extremely high probability setups. In our previous analysis, I pointed out a support level that had flipped back into a resistance level around 17.9. I explained that if price returned to that resistance and respected it, we would look for a sell setup. But if price broke above it instead, we would wait for a retest and bullish confirmation before considering a buy. And guess what? The market delivered exactly as we predicted. Price came back to 17.9, respected the resistance, and gave us a massive sell opportunity, dropping all the way from 17.97 to nearly 11.7. Anyone who followed the plan could have captured this move perfectly, a textbook example of why following structure and reaction zones matters more than guessing or forcing trades. Looking at the current structure, ZEN Coin is still in a downtrend, forming a series of lower highs and lower lows, which clearly indicates that sellers are still in control. The previous resistance level around 17.9 remains a key level to watch, and the market is still giving us high probability setups around this zone. Here's how we approach the next move. If price returns to the resistance level at 17.9, we watch for a bearish candlestick confirmation. This could be a pin bar, engulfing candle, or a strong rejection wick. That confirmation signals that sellers are stepping in again, and we can enter a sell trade toward the next support zone. On the other hand, if price fails to respect the resistance and breaks above it, that tells us buyers are trying to take control. In this case, we don't chase the breakout. Instead, we patiently wait for the retest of the broken level. And if price prints a bullish candlestick at the retest, that becomes our confirmation to enter a buy trade. The key lesson here is that the market tells us what to do. It doesn't matter whether it goes up or down. Our job is to react to structure, respect key levels, and follow the trend. By waiting for confirmations at major support and resistance zones, we remove emotion from trading and increase our chance of being on the right side of the market. So in summary, ZEN Coin is still in a downtrend. Our resistance level at 17.9 remains valid for entries, and the next trade will depend on price reaction, respect the resistance, sell, break, and retest, buy. This is how disciplined traders approach high probability setups. Traders, what do you think? Will the resistance hold again and push price lower? Or will buyers break through and try to reverse the trend? Drop your predictions in the comments below. I want to hear what you think. Alright traders, that is all on ZEN Coin for now. Stay patient, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.